Let us find the resultant of four forces acting along OA, OB, OC as shown in this figure. Magnitude of those being 3 Newton, 4 Newton, 5 Newton, 6 Newton respectively. Now for this purpose, you may think of using this formula R square equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. However, it will make your work extremely tedious. You might be able to do it, but it is much easier if we break those forces along x component and y component, or rather we find the forces along x component and y component. So let's do it. Component of OA along x-axis is OA is of magnitude 3 Newton, so it is totally along x-axis. So 3 Newton into cos 0, that is 3 Newton only. Component of OB, OA is a vector, I'm sorry. OB is also a vector along x-axis is, now this time you have OB inclined to 30 degree with respect to x-axis. So magnitude of OB is 4 Newton into cos 30 degree, and that's equal to 4 into 1 by 2. Sorry, cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. 4 into root 3 by 2. Similarly, component of OC along x-axis is, OC is of 5 Newton, so 5 Newton into cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. Lastly, component of OD. What is the angle between OD and x-axis? Let's look at it. We have 30 degree plus 30 degree, that makes it 60 degree, again 45 degrees, so that makes it in total 60 plus 45, 105 degree. OD along x-axis is 6 Newton into cos 105 degree. That is equal to 6 Newton into cos 60 degree plus 45 degree. That is, let's compute it. Let's do some rough work. Cos 60 degree plus 45 degree. You know the formula, cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. That's equal to cos 60 degrees 1 by 2, cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2, sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2, sin 45 degrees 1 by root 2. That's equal to 1 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Therefore, component of OD along x-axis is We have magnitude of OD equal to 6 Newton, 6 into cos 60 minus 45, so this is equal to 6 into 1 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Notice that root 3 is greater than 1. So 1 minus root 3 is negative, so component of OD along x-axis is along negative direction with respect to x-axis. Similarly, let's find the component of those four forces along y-axis. 3 into sine 0, comma 4 into sine 30 degree, comma 5 into sine 60 degree. Lastly, 6 into sine 60 plus 45 degree. That is sine 0 is 0, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, so that gives you 2. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2, so 5 root 3 upon 2. Once again, sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2, so this is equal to 5 into root 3 by 2. Lastly, sine 60 degree, let's compute it. Sine 60 degree plus 45 degree, what is that? Sine 60 degree plus 45 degree equal to sine A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So that's equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Therefore, component along y-axis are 0, 2, 5 root 3 by 2, 6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2 divided by 2 root 2. Alright. Okay. Therefore, now let's compute sum of the component. Let x equal to sum of x component. So what are the x component that we have computed? Uh, first one is 4 into root 3 by 2. That is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 plus second one is, oh sorry, first one is just along OA, that is 3 Newton, right? 3 Newton. First one is 3 Newton. Second one is 4 into root 3 by 2, that is 2 root 3. Third one is 5 by 2, and fourth one is 1 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Once again, first one is 3 Newton. Second one is 2 root 3. Third one is first one is 3 Newton. Second one is 2 root 3. Third one is 5 by 2. Third one is 5 by 2. And lastly, 1 minus root 3 by 2 root 2. 1 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2 into 6. Into 6. Let's simplify a little bit. How much can we do? This 2 we can combine it. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 by 2 plus 2 root 3 plus I think I should write minus here. Minus root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2 into 6. And similarly, y equal to sum of y components. First one is 0, second one is 2, third one is 5 root 3, and the fourth one is 6 into root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. 6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Lastly, resultant equal to root over x square plus y square. You may simplify it and you are done. What about the angle? Angle of resultant with respect to x-axis, that is equal to tan inverse y by x.